Hey, good morning everybody. David here at Scale Models Midwest. Welcome back to the workbench. I hope you're having a great start to the weekend. I'm doing the same myself. Got some Skinner playing in the background as I do a quick video update this morning to kind of share with you stuff that I've had come to me through the week. I've got some pictures to show you. Larry Landis has sent me some awesome pictures, and so has Chris. I can't pronounce his name, but I'll get that. You guys are going to get shout outs here towards the end of the video regarding what you've sent. Thank you. Guys, please keep sending me pictures of vehicles that you build, and I will post them on this video for you and give you shout outs. Thank you. It also gives me ideas on kits. Like in my previous video, I said that I would love to build. One of the ones that Larry showed me, I'm like, man, that's another kit. And that's what's so cool, you know. DJ Khaled's not the only one that says, here's another one. I'm one of those too. I've seen some other kits, and I'm like, oh God, there's another one. So it's no longer a top 10, it's now a top 17 that I want to build. Which is why my daughter and I are going to the hobby shop today, because I know he's got a couple of the kits that I'm looking for. And I think, well, I just got paid. I'm going to go on ahead and lay waste to the checkbook and pick them up. So, before I go and do that, I wanted to show you some stuff. First of all, shop cards. I was going to show these off as I got them, but I got them so quickly that I'm like, I'll wait till Saturday morning. First one, Don. Thank you. I was really looking forward to getting your card. Red Barn Model Works. Check out that building. I would love to, and I think everybody else would love to have a building like that. Heated, air conditioned, maybe a mini fridge and a microwave. I don't know. But, I mean, you know, go out there, build your model kits. Do whatever you want to do. Nice little art piece, you name it. But look at that little porch on there while you're waiting for your paint to dry or glue to set. Sit out there with some friends, kick out a couple chairs, enjoy some libations, or in my case, some Southern sweet tea. Just enjoy life. That is way cool. Thank you very much. That's going to go up on the wall, which, by the way, is still naked. But today, I'm going to Home Depot or Menards, seeing if I can pick up some corkboard so I can finally get that taken care of. So, shop card number one, Red Barn Model Works. I'll put links in the description below. Check his channel out, sub it if you haven't already. Next one. Oh man, I've seen this one on other people's channels and I'm like, can't wait to get it. Now I got it. Charlie Mack, thank you for the awesome comments on the work. Also, I think I'm going to be inspired to get a t-shirt. We've got this place in town called Ray Gun, best t-shirt shop in the world. It says, model on, you magnificent model building bastard. There you go. And you know what? Thank you. I think I am. I think we all are. But look at the card here. He's got like a Mad Max inspired rig. Little, probably 18-inch guns, little crane in the back, and all sorts of cool detail on it. And the more you look at it, the more you pick out this detail and go, wow, this is so cool. And then you got a really nicely done, what looks like a Daimler Benz three-wheeler. And then finally, what looks like a Sikorsky helicopter. And extra credit if you know the TV show that had one of these things. I think it was Pink, and it was Two Brothers. I think it was called, wait a minute. I'm not going to say it. I know the channel now. I know the name of the show. But if you know it, yeah, just extra credit for you. Have fun. Put it in the comments below. But Charlie Mack, Model Works, all things styrene. I'm going to put his links in the channel below as well. Thank you very much, Charlie Mack. So cool getting your card. Last but not least, Ron from Grandpa's Toy Room. Check that out. You cannot go wrong with 49 or 50 Mercs and 32 Fords. And I saw this one, and there's a gentleman with Model Car Videos. His name is Matt or Mike. Sorry if I butchered your name. But he has a thumbnail of a similar 32 Ford that actually looked like the cover of the Beach Boys album. I believe the 32 Ford was initially built by Chili Cataldo, and yet that's another kit that I want to buy and build. If that one is out there, if anybody knows that the 32 Ford from the Beach Boys album cover, it's blue and it had these little streaks underneath, if that ever came out in kit form, resin or otherwise, shoot me a description comment and let me know, because I would love to pick up that car and build it. But again, can't go wrong with either one of these two. Love the card. Grandpa's Toy Room. Ron Stewart. Again, I'll put the link in the description for his channel below. And again, gentlemen, thank you very much. As soon as I get the cork board up, get that taken care of. I think I had already mentioned that I got some cars from Salvino's JR. I'll show it anyway, just in case if I do repeat myself. Nothing wrong with reruns. But just to show you, the kit of the month that we had here was the 1981 Pontiac Lamont that Bobby Allison drove. This one had on the side of my desk here, and I didn't think I had shown it off, but now I am. Got a couple other kits. They're on Model Roundup right now for pre-order. I won't show them yet. I'm going to be respectful of the Model Building Club requirements, and they've asked us not to really show them off until they're actually in the stores. So I'll show those off probably in about a month. But suffice to say, they're of the Gen 6 Camaros, and they are very cool. I will eventually build one of them this year. The other ones will probably be on the shelf until I'm ready to build them, either box stock or with some detail. But real cool. The last kit I'm going to show you before I head upstairs, though, this is one that was on my video of kits that I want to buy and build, and I just couldn't resist it. I'm just perusing eBay. Hopefully I can say that on the channel. But I saw one, and here it is, the Revell 26 Ford. Now this one I saw going for as high as 35 to 40 bucks, but I saw one really inexpensively from one seller to buy it now, so I went ahead and pulled the pin and got it. Now this one, you know, it's based on Lil John Patera's root beer metallic 26 Ford sedan T delivery, I don't know what to call it, but I like the look of the vehicle. It has jag rear, has a small block Ford for motivation, and the original kit and the original 1.1 vehicle had true spokes, and I think I can find some true spokes. In fact, I know I've got some in my parts box, probably from my old Buick Riviera kit that I posted a long time ago, where I went ahead and put AMG rims on it, which I still think are some of the baddest looking rims ever made. And the Buick Riviera is probably one of the most awesome vehicles ever made too. But, you know, that's my opinion. I think I can use those wire wheels and put them in place of the Halibrands. But then again, I like the looks of the Halibrands. I might just do a little bit of a black wash with the Panaline accent color and build it just like that. But found a kit, bought a kit. When we go to the hobby shop today, I've got a couple of other ideas too. Some other kits. One gentleman, Leadfoot, check out his channel. He uses a lot of NASCAR chassis in building his kits, and they have that really low slung look. I'm going to see if the guy at Hobby Shop has the kit I'm looking for, because if he does, I'm going to pick it up and show it off to you in my next video of a plan that I have to build that kit using a NASCAR chassis, maybe opening up the hood, because currently that kit that I'm looking for is a promo style with just an engine insert plate, but also planning on using some Z-Man wheels for it. So again, providing he's got it, I'll pick it up and I'll bring it and I'll show it. Before I go, I got a couple pictures to show you from Chris and from Larry, so let's head upstairs and I'll get those added. So Larry Landis has sent me some more pictures, and man, these kits are fantastic. This first one is a Willis, looks like a panel delivery, called the Absolute Psycho. And I'll tell you, this thing is just mad crazy. I love it. Two-tone silver and purple. Look at the motivation on this thing. The detail is phenomenal that he's taken his time on. The paint job, awesome. Love it. Hopefully this will inspire you to build a kit very similar. I know that a kit like this, if I remember correctly, there's a Monopoly Willis. You could probably replicate a kit very close to it, like what he's done using that kit. I don't think it's in production anymore, but you can find that through eBay or maybe Model Roundup. But hopefully it'll inspire you. So Again, this is one of the 2 kits he sent to me, so let me show you the other one. Okay, so this next one from Larry Landis is, looks like one of those little Japanese micro kai cars, but the paint color is what he wanted to show me in particular. It's called Poison Green Candy, and it's something called Crystal Effects. What he did was he did a light medium of the green. Once it dried, he did a very light coat of black, and then after that dried, polished it out and utilized Zero Paint's Diamond Finish Clear to really bring out the effect of this. And I'll tell you, this thing is sharp. I like it. I may very well try that on a spare body or 2 that I have, but yeah, just feast your eyes on this. This looks nice. That interior is also very sharply done. Great job again, Larry. Look at the detail on the Revell Miss Deal Studebaker. Larry, you did yourself really well on this. Look at the roll bar tubing, look at the wiring, the stance, the colors, the paints, everything is great. But speaking of paints, look at that. Rattle can fade. This is not airbrush, this is rattle can. Looks like it's a blue or purple to the green. Obviously it's got a top coat on it. But man, I like this kit a lot. Inspired me enough that maybe that's going to have to come on my list as building a Studebaker someday. You never know. Again, thanks, Larry. Great kit. Thank you for sharing. And then finally, I've got a kit from Chris Turkop. Thanks again for sending me this kit, Chris. Beautifully done monogram 1999 Cobra. I've got a similar kit like this on the shelf that I've never built, but these kits go together very nicely. And as you can tell, it's nice detail, beautiful green paint job. Looks like it laid down really nice, Chris. Fantastic job on this kit. As always, hopefully the kits that I display for you inspire you to go out and build a kit like that, or even send me pictures of the kits that you've already built. I would love to show them for everybody to see and maybe get inspired. But as always, thank you very much for watching the channel. Got a couple more videos that'll be coming out this weekend. But for now, my daughter and I are getting antsy to head up to the hobby shop in Ames. We will see you in the next video.